Johan Liebert is terrifying, not because he's strong, but because he understands people. Johan doesn't force anything. He watches, listens, waits, and then he uses people against themselves because he knows one truth. People don't need to be destroyed. They destroy themselves. Fear, insecurity, ego push the right trigger, and people collapse on their own. Johan doesn't create chaos. He reveals what's already there. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If someone understands your weaknesses, they control you. That's why self-awareness isn't optional. It's protection.